Hi, we will see how to keep phone screen always on or active in Xiaomi Android phones. Okay. As you can see that this is Mi 8 model of 128GB space. So I'm going to Play Store and searching for keep screen on. And there are many apps you can see, but all of them doesn't work with Xiaomi. So the one that works perfectly is the one from LK Studios. Okay, LK Studios. Now simply install it and open. Touching the bulb will keep your screen activated until you switch it off. And when you are done, simply touch it again and the bulb will be switched off. And this is how you can simply get this app and to make your phone screen on and work without screen off. Okay, on Xiaomi phones easily. Hope you subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.